Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to message a host on Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and message a host inquiring about their place. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on a listing. Then on this listing page, there's a lot of information, but go ahead and scroll all the way down and find where it says send message. So you can see here it says message host. So click on message host, then click on message host again. And then this is where you can type in your message and then click on send message. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send a message to a host on Airbnb. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.